They say variety is the spice of life. When it comes to variety in agriculture, North Dakota provides one of the most diverse environments for our farmers and ranchers.
Because we have such a diverse aspect to North Dakota's agricultural industry, there are so many different choices that producers make when producing a commodity.
North Dakota is home to over 46 different commodities, ranging from sugar beets and wheat to honey and potatoes. In fact, did you know that North Dakota farmers and ranchers annually produce enough potatoes for 2.6 billion servings of French fries, sunflower seeds for more than 1.36 billion 3-ounce snack packs, and wool for over 500,000 sweaters?
If you take a look at the diversity in North Dakota, and if you compared it to other states in the nation or even other countries, you're going to find that North Dakota actually is head and shoulders above any other in terms of crop production and diversity of this crop production.
What makes North Dakota agriculture so unique? It begins from the ground up, starting with the soil itself. North Dakota soil ranges from thick black loam, a nutrient-rich combination of sand, silt, and clay found in the eastern Red River Valley that is some of the world's richest farmland, to more porous sandy soil in the west. From east to west, this diverse soil translates directly into a broad spectrum of commodities produced across the state.
Whether it's a ranch in western North Dakota, or whether it's a diversified farm in the central portion of the state, or whether it's intensive row crops in the eastern part, you're going to find that we have the diversity that fits our topography.
Other factors that contribute to agricultural variety in the state are the various production techniques that North Dakota farmers and ranchers employ.
North Dakota is known for diverse production methods, and no-till systems have probably been one of the primary ones that have really changed the game for how producers can produce food, not only the diversity of the food, but the resiliency of the system.
When we think about handing on our entire ecology to the next generation, we as farmers really are the ones that are the stewards of making sure that that land is managed, both for the sake of producing food, but also for the sake of passing that habitat on to the next generation.
So, the next time you find yourself driving by a pasture or spot a field of sunflowers in full bloom, know there's much more going on than meets the eye. Because when it comes to the many products we produce, North Dakota farmers and ranchers know that agriculture in this state is anything but boring.
I think your average U.S. citizen would be quite surprised where their food production comes from, because there's such a variety of it that comes from North Dakota, and we've been such a stable producer that I think as we educate the general public and they become more aware of it, they start thinking of North Dakota as a synonymous term with food production.
For more information on North Dakota agriculture, we invite you to visit us online at www.nd.gov/NDDA.